Hey there, pasta lovers! Welcome back to our cozy kitchen, where today we're diving into a recipe that's all about comfort and simplicity. If you're looking for a dish that wraps you in warmth and satisfaction, you've come to the right place. Let's make the most comforting, easy pasta recipe you need to try. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need some good quality pasta, spaghetti or penne works beautifully. We'll also need olive oil, garlic, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick, and of course, a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a handful of fresh basil to brighten everything up. Begin by boiling a part of salted water. Once it's bubbling, add your pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. While that's happening, heat a splash of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Toss in minced garlic and let it sizzle for just a minute until it's fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn. Once your pasta is ready, reserve a cup of that starchy cooking water, then drain the rest. Add the pasta directly to the skillet with the garlic and give it a good toss. Now, here's the secret. Pour in a bit of that reserved pasta water to create a silky sauce. Sprinkle in your red pepper flakes and a generous handful of Parmesan, stirring until everything is beautifully combined. Finish it off with fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil. Serve it up warm and watch as your loved ones gather around the table, drawn in by the irresistible aroma. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this comforting pasta recipe brings a smile to your face and warmth to your heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!